Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video, we're going to be talking about how peritracheous bacteria are able to move. And also, just really quickly, I want to say, if you have been using these videos and you find them helpful and there's something you know about or you know how to do, go ahead and contact Aurelian University. We'd love to have your participation to make this a channel for all sorts of learning of all sorts of types, essentially. So you can contact Aurelian University at Marcus Aurelius at aurelianu.com, or you can go to aurelianuniversity at gmail.com. So right here, we've got 3 phases. 2 of them are sort of cheap. It's the same phase. So tumble, run, and tumble. So in peritracheous bacteria, you've got these flagella on all sides of the bacterium, and when they're sort of splayed out like this, all in different directions, it's in the tumble phase. And the tumble phase is essentially when the bacterium isn't moving. The next phase is the run phase. So these flagella will all begin to spin, and they'll spin in the same direction, and that will cause them to sort of tangle up and push in all in one orientation, and they'll move the bacterium in a certain direction. Then they'll switch orientation, so they'll spin in the opposite direction, and they'll splay out again, and that's the tumble phase, because after running it sort of stops and tumbles and changes direction. What will happen is, if the bacterium is facing in the correct direction, the direction that is towards the nutrients or whatever stimuli the bacterium needs, then it will not tumble as often, and so it will continue moving in the right direction more often when it's in its run phases. Also, runs will last longer, and there will be fewer in a certain period of time. And if the bacterium is not going in the right direction, say over here there's some sort of chemical the bacteria doesn't like, or the bacterium doesn't like, then the tumbles will be more frequent, and so there will be more of a chance that it changes direction and can go in the right direction. So that's how, although it doesn't seem intuitive at first, these peritracheous bacteria, that's how they're able to move in one direction, is because when these hairs start spinning, they sort of catch onto each other and all push in the same direction.